As of the 23rd of July 2020, the number of positives is now 351, with 19 COVID-related deaths. The number of active cases in institutional isolation is 156. 33 persons are in institutional quarantine, and 2 persons are in the COVID ICU. To date, we are happy to announce that 176 persons have recovered. Fellow Guyanese, I wish to share with you some guidelines that can be adopted in our workplaces that are in keeping with the Occupational Health and Safety Act of 1997, Chapter 99, Section 6. Employers should ensure that junior staff are enabled to follow mandatory norms and standards. When it comes to travel, employees should use private transportation whenever possible. Whenever circumstances permit, employers should facilitate transportation of employees to and from work to reduce the probability of exposure when using public transportation. Entrances. Note well, only persons, whether it be employers, employees, or customers, wearing masks should be allowed to enter buildings. All entrances to public and private workplaces should have screening and hygiene blocks. Screening will entail taking temperatures with the laser thermometer, and the hygiene block should comprise sinks with running water, liquid soap, or hand sanitizing stations. Workplaces must decide on their policies re persons with elevated temperatures. That is, whether they will refer them for further investigation or returning home or seeking further medical advice. As far as the office layout to facilitate social distancing is concerned, employers should erect plexiglass or other transparent barriers between staff area and the public. There should be clear demarcations showing 6-foot distancing either on the floors or walls to guide the public. Employers should rearrange office space to facilitate 6-foot distancing. Reduce in-person meeting to the barest essentials. Technology such as Zoom, Teams can be used to conduct meetings. Discourage employee congregation by water dispensers or coffee stations in the dining rooms or restrooms. Lunch periods or breaks should be staggered, and staff, wherever possible, can be encouraged to have lunch at their desks.